Dry cleaning. Dry cleaning is the equivalent of the devil. You should not want to dry clean a garment more than once or twice a year. Lanolin, extra oils, have been added to most wools and most fabrics. It's kind of a water resistance or a stain resistance, an odor resistant barrier. When you dry clean a garment, you're removing the protection or the barrier from the fabric. Basically, before they were dry cleaning, people used to brush their cloth. You don't want to brush it with your hand or a foreign fabric. You want to use the exact fabric that's on the jacket. Brush the jacket with the same fabric, pants with the same fabric. Brush the stain dry. If you do it wet, it's just going to transfer the stain to the other side of the fabric. But you brush the fabric off, it typically will remove any kind of foreign material. If it's dry, oil or butter, a little bit more stubborn, have it spot cleaned at the dry cleaner. Spot clean literally takes 1 or 2 minutes, but do not have the garment pressed. It's not necessary to have the garment pressed after you spot clean or dry cleaned. If they insist, go to a different dry cleaner. That is not something that they need to do. Again, a garment does not need to have dry clean. That includes slacks and jacketing. Shirts, which are directly on the body, really need to be dry cleaned once or twice every time you wear them.